Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to be opening the rest of these Team of the Season plus Food Champs packs and the LTM Super Packs. And guys, before this video I had 10 mil, but just before, like 10 minutes ago, I went into a trade. I put down my Neymar 96. I don't have him anymore, but I did pack this one. And 10 mil for this guy. Let's go, guys. Team of the Year Ronaldo. Team of the Year Ronaldo. So guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I packed him or anything. No, I traded him for 10 mil, just like Lionel Messi, but I did have to add my name out, which was sad, but doesn't matter. I got another 99. Alright. Okay, let's get on with the pack opening. Okay, so I'll start off opening like 5 of these. And guys, yesterday these packs were insane. I packed a gold, a walkout Ronaldo, then a Foot Champs Messi, so let's hope that stays the same. It's not going well so far, but we'll hope the luck... Oh, let's go. I was going to say we'll hope the luck gets better, and it just did. It's an icon, doesn't matter who it is, still an icon. Scholes, Gerrard. Oh, Scholes. That's all good, guys. I'm like, for the third pack of the video, that's a good player. Oh, Foot Champs walkout, guys. Please be like a Ronaldo or 97 Messi, and it is none. It is money. Oh, I didn't have him. Alright, that's weird, but at least now I have him. Another Foot Champs and another walkout. Come on. AC Milan, Italian. Oh, Donnarumma. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, and Mascherano's green card. That's good. I'm gonna open like 5 of these, then open one of those. Because like these had 30. The other ones had 12. It was because I got the Division 1 title, so they gave me more LTM Super Pack. Oh, wait, I forgot what this card is called. Please be the Neymar. Oh, Ribery. Again, man. I have like 3 duplicates of him. Oh, I just wanted that Neymar to come back, guys. Everyone wants that Neymar. He's actual rare. Oh. Team of the Season, no walkout. No, sorry. Oh my. Why no walkout, man? Please. I'm gonna open one of these and please be a walkout. Champs walkout. Let's go. Who is it? Oh, Portuguese, please. Please. Let's go! Let's go! Guys, now I have two Foot Champs Messi and 2 Foot Champs Ronaldo in my duplicates. So 2. So yeah, that's good, but they're not that rare, I guess. Oh, Team of the Season walkout. Team of the Season walkout. Okay. It's that striker guy. He's like 89. Yeah, 89. Donnarumma. Oh, I thought he... Why can't it be the thing? The goalkeeper Donnarumma. 95. Okay, come on. Please don't be for champs. It's team of the season, guys. Let's go. Let's go, Spanish. Barcelona. Left back. Let's go. Jordi Alba. 98 pace. Oh, and Prijo. Sorry, I don't know how to say his name. Another for champs. Walkout. Please be good. He's England. Spurs. Oh, Harry Kane. Is he a walkout? Oh, not a walkout. Supposed to say, is it a duplicate? Come on, please. Another for champs and another walkout. Spanish. Oh, it's Pujo. Just got him before. Come on. Oh, what? It's like my first time packing a walkout of these. Oh, it's probably Joe Felix. Yeah. Oh, nah. It's Peasy, sorry. Oh, and 88 Koulibaly. That's actual sick. Team of the season. Walkout, please. Argentinian? Oh. That was Lionel Messi, guys. A duplicate 99 Messi. Just imagine. 10 mil. They would have been giving us 10 mil. Anything we ask for the Messi. But sadly, it wasn't Messi. So, for champs walkout again. This is just getting too easy. Not another 95 Ronaldo. Hello. 299 Ronaldos. My third night. Wait, sorry, did I just say 99? I'm supposed to say 95. Hope it was 99. I just hope. Alright, team of the week, walkout. Barcelona, left back. Oh, Jordi Alba. Oh, 89, that's good. I have a duplicate of him now, which is good. Oh, Bernardo Silva, man of the match. That's good as well. Icon. Okay, please don't tell me it's the same icon. Oh, 90, not 98, 88, Rio Ferdinand. That's good. Team of the season, please. Let's go. Team of the season, walkout, please. Money? Oh, fuck. That was Mane. I already have him as a duplicate. Nah, man. Oh, Ribery, that's good. Okay, man of the match. No walkout. Nah. I can't even pronounce his name, sorry. Team of the season, please. Let's go. Team of the season. Who can it be? French. Okay, it's a centre mid. He's like 89 or 88. And Villa. Let's go. Team of the season. Again. Which is good. French. Oh, that's Ben Yedder. 93. That's good. That's actually good. Oh, and Koulibaly 90 rated. Come on. Hero. Oh, let's go. Because, guys, I'm nearly completed the whole hero set, so I want him. Oh, another team of this season. Okay, sorry guys, my friend is sending me a picture of him packing Modric. I just read it. Should I send him a picture of me having Team of the Year Ronaldo? He'll get the heart attack, guys. Oh, why am I skipping through these packs? Another team of the season, please. Please be a Ronaldo, Messi, something good, something high rated, higher than 90. Come on. Let's go! Sergio Busquets. This is an actual insane pack opening. I just love this. Oh, and then a gold walkout. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh, Argentinian, please. Oh, God. Higuain. Higuain had 3 cards in this year. Wait, 2 or 3. A Chelsea one, and he had a Inter Milan one. So I do not know what happened. Koulibaly. That's good. That's good. Let's go, Koulibaly. 88 physical and 89 defending. Alright. El Shaarawy. My last team of the week. Team of the season plus foot champs pack. It's a team of the season walkout. Spanish. Who's this? It's a centre mid 90 rated. I do not know who his name is. Canales. Oh, and Leroy Sané. That's good. Okay, my last LTM super pack. It's not a walkout. And it's Chris Quito or something. I don't know. I might just open like 12 of these. Oh, icon, please. Okay, Portuguese, please. Cam. Oh, it's probably Deco or Rio. Oh, Luis Figo. How many cards does he have? Oh, and Gaia. That's good. I'm just gonna open some of the special plus packs with my tokens. A team of the season walkout. Spanish. I do not know what that team is. He's 89. Oh, 87. That's the lowest team of the season walkout you can get. I'm gonna open one more, then just stop and end this video. So, yeah. Wait, actually, I want to end it with a walkout. Nope. Walkout, not Moy. Moy's not a walkout. Okay, I'm ending it. It's a team of the week walkout. No way! No way! It's... Guys, I've been chasing this card for so long. I'm going into trades. I'm like team of the week, goal, team of the week, Lewandowski. No one has it. Even if they have it, they want a 99 Messi for it. So, no. Okay, this video is just insane. 3 Ronaldos, 2 Messis. The highest rated player I got in this video was him. I got all these guys in just one pack opening. Thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching, That doesn't make sense, but make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.